Hey guys, what's up? This is Adrian Ortiz, AMO Fitness. We're going to go into our leg lowering progressions, okay? This is 2 and 3. So the first leg lowering is in our other video, okay? And that's with this foot, okay, against something. So I prop it up against a wall or something like that, okay? So my hip is in flexion. I've got a little bit of a stretch on this hamstring. Okay, my other foot's job is to keep straight. I'm going to squeeze my quad, my hands are relaxed, my head's relaxed. I'm going to lower very slowly with my quad flexed. As I reach down, you feel big separation, especially a stretch in the hamstring, and then I'm going to pull this leg up straight. So things you should be doing during this is 1, squeezing your quad and watching your foot. It's going to want to wiggle and spin out. The femur might drop out or something like that. So do your best. I like to do this with a big exhale, then go. So I go, empty all my air out, then I move. And I really work on that hamstring. Okay, if you need a little help, you can hold on. This would be the assisted leg lowering. I'd exhale. As I lower, I should feel this in my core. My back is pressed into the ground flat. I'm controlling my foot and keeping it as straight. We really want to avoid spinning out or not having the knee bent. Okay, so the second thing we can also do, we can drop this out. Okay, so I'm actually working now, getting right down to the floor. That's a huge stretch. I'm thinking about aiming the back of my thigh touching the ground. Okay, so the third one, okay, for leg lowering is the resisted. And what we're going to be doing is actually giving a little resistance against the thigh. And that's actually going to be more core activation than hamstring lengthening, okay? And I struggle with this one, so I'm going to try to do the best I can. I'm going to put my block back up. Okay, I'm going to get back into position where I get a little bit of that hamstring. I'm going to straighten out. Okay, and what I'm going to do is push against, for you guys here, let's push against this leg as this leg starts to drop. Okay, I'm going to exhale, and the more I push, man, I really start feeling that in my core, my hip flexor, and all over. My back is pressed into the ground. So again, I'm going to give a little push, keeping that leg straight, and then pulling up. Okay, now the rep ranges for this are in all your manuals or prescriptions, but usually not a lot. I think 10 reps would be sufficient per side, either assisted or resisted, depending where you're at. Now remember, these are a little bit more advanced drills. The first one in the other video is just your leg is propped up, dropping down, hitting a block. Okay, then we remove the block, work on getting back down again. Then you start adding some of your own body weight resistance. You can use the band as the FMS, but I'm just going bare bones here with yourself. Okay, so that's Adrian Ortiz, leg lowering.